Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you one more cute stitch that you can use actually for everything, really easy. And the border, the edge that I was demonstrating in the previous video, please check, you can find the link down. And now if you want to learn only how to knit the stitch, please stay with me and let's start. I'm using 4mm knitting needles and medium worsted weight yarn, and for the stitch you need to cast on the number that is multiple of 4 plus 2 selvage stitches. So cast on 18 stitches and let's start. Slip the first stitch and purl all stitches till the end. And we do not count this row. It's a basic row, base row. We do not count it. We are not going to repeat it in the pattern. We are doing it only because we are now on the wrong side and we want to turn knitting on the right side. Purl and purl the last selvage stitch. We will always purl it. Turn and row number 2, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches. Knit. And purl here again, last selvage stitch. Row number 3, we will purl again all stitches, purl till the end. Perfect. Turn. Row number 4, slip the first stitch. Now purl 2, now skip next 2 stitches and insert the needle between the second and third stitches and draw up a long loop, and now knit 2 together and drop both stitches of the needle and repeat. Purl 2, skip next 2 stitches, insert the needle between second and third stitch, draw up a long loop and then knit 2 together and repeat. Purl 2, skip, loop and knit 2 together. And for the last time, purl 2, draw up a loop, knit 2 together and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. That's what we have. Row number 5, slip the first stitch and you see purl stitch where we did knit 2 together and a loop. Purl them. Purl 2, and then you see 2 knit stitches, knit 2, and repeat. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, and purl the last selvage stitch, turn. Row number 6, knit all stitches till the end, knit, and purl the last selvage stitch, turn. Row number 7, purl all stitches, slip the first stitch, and purl all stitches till the end. Turn. And now row number 8, slip the first stitch. Now skip next 2 stitches, insert the needle and draw up a loop, knit 2 together, and after that purl 2, and repeat. Skip the next 2 stitches, draw up a long loop, knit 2 together, purl 2, and repeat. Skip, loop, knit 2 together, purl 2, skip, draw up a long loop, knit 2 together, purl 2, and purl the last selvage stitch. And row number 9, turn, slip the first stitch, knit 2, you see knit stitches, so you knit them, and then purl 2, and repeat. Knit 2, purl 2 till the end, knit 2, purl 2, and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. Now you are going to repeat everything from the row number 2. So in total there will be 8 rows to repeat. So you skip the first row and start repeating. So knit all stitches on the right side, then knit all stitches on the wrong side, and start knitting purl 2, then draw up a long loop, knit 2 together. And at the end you will get this beautiful structure. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please find the written instruction on my blog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and find more stitch tutorials on my channel. Bye!